namin sa Nagsaing Calasiao, and we are here at Villa Paraiso de Evelyn, private resort. Because create ako ng event para sa family namin, like mini reunion. Yeah, so this is the first time that we are having our reunion, and I'm so excited to meet my cousins, my niece, my titas, and my titos, lolo and lola. And yeah, this is the first time that we celebrate reunion, and I want just to take the opportunity to thank Villa Paraiso de Evelyn to give me huge discount. And yeah, I'm so happy for the resort. I checked the room already and it was so clean and cozy. And yeah, the kitchen was so huge also. The pool is so clean, and we have also parking space here. And yeah, I'm so happy because this is my dream to like reunite with my family. Hindi lang sa pag may yumao, saka lang kami nakikita-kita, pero ngayon, this time, nakita-kita kami ng masaya. So yeah, I'm so happy. Yeah, this is one of my dreams. Thank you, Lord. Nandito na yung family namin, pero kulang pa sila. Hi! So this is my tito, my tito. And we are now grilling. They are making balloons and someone singing. And here is the pool. Yeah. This is one of our room. And the second room. This is the view. Here.
Nahilo na sila. Dapat ganito lang. Ay na.
Bira! Bira! Hala! Bira! Hala! Hala! Dalawa na. Wala na. Wow, ang sarap!